Using AutoFill Feature. The AutoFill feature in Excel is used to automatically fill a series of data in rows and columns based on the values of other cells. You can use the AutoFill feature to fill a series of numbers, days, months, hours, etc. In Excel, when you hover your mouse on the bottom right corner of the selected cell or range, the pointer changes to a plus sign. This is called the fill handle. To use the autofill feature in a series, follow the given steps. Step 1. Type the first two numbers in a series. Step 2. Select the cells. Hover your mouse pointer over the bottom right corner of the selection. Step 3. Click and drag over the cells you want to autofill. Step 4. Release the mouse button. The cells are filled with the series. Alternate method is Step 1. Type the first number in a series. Step 2. Select the cell and the cells that you want to autofill. Step 3. Click on Home tab. Step 4. Click on Fill button in Editing group. Step 5. Click on Series from the Fill drop-down menu. A series dialog box opens. Enter the step value. You can also change or select other values. Step 6. Click OK. The cells are filled with the series.